We have the Today tab. So we've set our goals for the annual year. We've tapped into who we want to be for each season. We've looked at an overview of the month. We've planned for the week. And here's how we really make progress, because it's not about sitting on your ass and manifesting the life of your dreams. It's about daily inspired action. And these little steps forward really are what make your entire life. They're what make who you are. If you want to be this woman who is, well rounded, she shows up, she's patient, she's kind. What are these attributes? All of these different characteristics that you've already set for yourself. You need to show up like that person every single day. So let's go ahead and go over the Today tab. On your left side, you're going to find the hour updating as for your computer and whatever day you're on. And then beneath it, you'll have a section for a brain dump, like every other section, because a girl loves her brain dump. I got way too many fucking thoughts up in this head. Underneath it, you're going to have your habit tracker and your symptoms log. So if you didn't already update your daily symptoms, put it into this section for today. So you'll be able to log your basal temperature, your mood, your bowel movements, like we've already overviewed on the dashboard, along with the progress of your habit tracker. So go ahead and I will delete this. Scrolling down, look, your routines. Like I said, who you show up daily is going to impact greatly how you achieve your goals. So non-negotiables get set up for your daily activities in terms of your morning, day, and your evening routine. What are you doing in terms of your skincare daily? What are your non-negotiables? Because your routines need to be adjusted for these rhythms around you, for the daily, for the weekly, for the monthly. For instance, an everything shower. Have you heard of that concept? So it's like when you take the shower, you shave your legs, you do all of the goodies, maybe exfoliate your feet. I know that's what I'm doing. Um, and there's different skincare routines that you're going to be doing on a daily basis, a weekly basis. Get clear on what that looks like for you alongside your chores. Again, your chores are going to be evolving from what your daily chores look like to your weekly, your monthly, and so on and so forth. Underneath here, you'll have a little bit of your references, like we've seen for the different phases of your cycle, and music. Look, create a playlist now for each phase, for your menstrual, for your follicular, for your ovulatory and your luteal, and see how the way you express yourself through the music that you listen to evolves. Even the music that you're listening and expressing yourself with changes based off of your own hormonal fluctuations. These photos are adjustable. Like I said, click those three dots, be able to click replace, change whatever photo is your vibe. And I hope you get a little kick out of the music that I've been putting on here. Let me know what your favorite music is to listen to in each of your phases after you guys have experimented with this for a little bit. All right, now let's look into the flow of how you can organize your work days or just your days of your life. So here's where you'll be able to take everything that you've written from your brain dump and implement into your day. This is what's considered time blocking. So I'll have 4 different areas of my life that I'm trying to work on for the day. And these, again, are all adjustable. So if I wanted to change this to education as my priority and so on and so forth, I can. I don't like to overwhelm myself, so 3 tasks are what I focus on for the day. So if that's what I need to do for work, I'll be able to list all of my most important tasks and then integrate this into my time blocking schedule so I can prioritize things and get an idea of how the day is going to be shaped. So I know that this is not changeable. At 5, I will put gyno appointment. That then leaves me with a walk that I want to do, so I might go on a 30-minute walk at 2. I might eat lunch at 3, and then I'll be able to plan the day for the work. So maybe I already got record section 3 done at 8 a.m. and I know that that's going to take me a couple of hours, so I might drag that down. Okay, so you get the point. This is allowing me to plan my day based off of what my important tasks are. And this is how the flow works for me, ladies. So I create my monthly list, then I move and I plan my weeks out, and then I take into reference. So I'll bounce back to my weekly tab and see what I've got going on for the week and how I can implement those steps forward by staying present with my day. I love setting an intention for the day because really how we set our intentions shapes and molds the energy of the day. So set intentions for these specific areas of your life. As you scroll down, you'll be able to click new day. So at the end of your day, reflect on what got completed, what didn't get completed, what you need to do for the next day. Make note of that in your physical journal. Click new day. and delete this bad boy. Look, everything that I am saying is just a suggestion. Implement this the way that you want to implement this and the best way that it suits your needs. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see we already created a meal planner. We already decided what foods we like. We've designed our recipe book. We've implemented different things for the different phases of our menstrual cycle. So all we have to do here on the Today tab is click the follicular phase if that's what you're in, and then be able to scroll to, okay, that's what I want to eat today, and here's how I'm going to move my body. So everything is already implemented from the other tabs, and you'll see that these things just get integrated down. Here's your period overview. So the same thing from your overview on your period, you'll have drafted here on the Today tab so that it's all easy, quick, be able to just kind of tap into and reflect on. Here's a quick one. Yoga with Adrienne. Love this girl's YouTube video. So if you're looking for an at-home workout, definitely recommend checking her out. Amazing. That is it, you guys. We just went over this. We figured out how to create goals for ourselves for the year, tapped into who we are seasonally, looked at an overview of the month, then we got to be able to be present with who we are through the weeks and the days. I hope you've had a great time with this course. I'll see you in for the wrap-up section. If you've been getting a lot out of this Notion template, please feel free to drop into the group if you have any questions, or feel free to share as much as you want with other people around you, because everybody deserves to tap into their rhythms and stay present with their own unique individuality. I'm super passionate about this. I hope that this has impacted your life for the better. And feel free to reach out to me, like I said, when the fuck ever. Have a beautiful day and enjoy changing your life for the better.